That's candidate number 2. Candidate number 4.
Hindi po ako magsisimula kung wala po akong maririnig na malakas na palakpakan. Muli, hindi po ako gaganahan kung wala po tayong konting sigawan.
Mabuhay, amiga and everyone!
What does never give up mean to you?
It means believing in yourself and continuing forward. Never lose hope and always chase your dreams.
Amigas Bungar at Very Light na!